got a 80 flapper wheel. Let's give it some shine. Okay, so you can see that's smoothing it out nicely, removing some of the dimples. I'll crack on with this and we'll check back in a bit. I'm pretty happy with that. Not quite a mirror finish. I mean, it's got a mirrored polish on it. You can see reflection in it. But yeah, I think I should have gone for longer with the fine grain. I think I possibly didn't give it long enough. I actually quite like the textured finish. Because I mean, to be fair, if it was a perfect mirror, I probably wouldn't want to use it. But I mean, that has got good reflection on it, and this end, that is almost mirror finish. But no, I am very pleased with that. That has come out very well. So just got the handle left to do, and then put an edge on it, because at the moment the edge is quite shocking. But yep, first I'll get it mounted and then I'll see about putting the edge on it. But overall, very pleased. Okay, so I've done the handle on this one, brought it in a bit on the back here and a bit at the front, and put a bit of a lip along the end to help with grip. I've noticed with axes in the past that don't have lips and things, you give it too hard a swing, it can be slide out, your hands get a bit sweaty. I've put a bit of an edge on this, not much, I've got to do it properly, get a whetstone, but enough that it can cut into things, albeit not great. And I pulled this one back out, giving it a bit of a polish up. Well, I sanded it back, I haven't polished it yet. This one's always had a better edge. I've put a bit of an edge back onto it, but again, not the best, but considerably better than that one at the moment. This one, the handle's a bit loose, need to sort that. I can do a little test on this, though to be fair, this I could probably break it with my hand. It is like the oldest bit of wood in the world, and it's not likely to cut, it's more likely to shatter. But just to get a feel for the swing, it's nice, good weight. Now this is a bit more substantial. Doing this one-handed really is not easy. There we go, let's see if we can prune that branch off. Nice clean. Okay, let's pop him across here, see if we can get a hit on him. This really is probably not a good idea. Give him a good hit. Okay, so very little penetration there. It cut in, but because I haven't got a proper edge on it, it's just a finding edge that I've put on it. Got to put a proper sharp edge on it. I want to get a really nice smooth line with that one. A bit more like this one. This one needs putting on the whetstone, but it has got a nice fine edge on it. Though this one, I think I ruined the temper on it, because this one has a tendency of rolling. Let's see how it goes here. Nice cut. Don't think I'm going to get that off. There we go. That gets a good cut into it. Not bad. There you have it. My two axes. Almost finished. Still got some work to do down the handle on this one. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it, but I definitely want it darker. But yes, come along very well. Onto it, so it's a bit sharper. Still hasn't been on the whetstone yet, but already it's kind of that dark. As you can see, already it's got a good edge on it, and is plenty sharp enough for use. And nice, clean, singular cuts. Very easily and quickly making this into a point, and it's sharp enough that when you miss your target, it sticks itself into what you're working on. Okay, and how well can it cut through? And to be fair, this is about as big as I would ever cut with it. That's probably about as big as I'd ever go with this. I mean, some of these logs are just way bigger than what you would ever attempt to do. Thought I felt movement in the handle then. Maybe that. But this is more the kind of thing I've got it for. Kind of just general bushcraft. Cutting, shaping, creating. Those moments when a knife just ain't quite what you want. But a full size. Is far too much. Just stuff like this. It's brilliant. And that is, considering I haven't put a proper edge on it yet, I'm very, very pleased with that. 4 through. Very good. Just some really nice clean cuts. See if I can get one good strike on it. See if I can get a bit of a bigger chunk. There you go. It's getting a pretty clean cut. Nice and straight. Very pleased. That little hook grip on the end actually makes it a lot easier to use. Well. So the axe is now finished, and I'm very pleased with it. It's come out well. Nice edge on it. Can actually shave with this, as you can see from a little bald patch on my arm. I burnt all the back and the heel, scorched it across the front. I've used teak oil on it. Okay, so let's see how well it does. Now obviously from a small axe like this I wouldn't expect anything too major. I mean, this is kind of wrist kind of sized log. Not dry because it's been left out here in the rain. We'll go for the slightly thicker end, see how well it does. See if we can get through the last one. What's that, 7? Nice clean cuts as well. Does a pretty tidy job of it, and very good for stringing out, making spikes. What I like with these kind of semi-bearded axes as well is you can get quite a lot of force from just that corner without having to put much effort in. So I've taken out little bits like that. It's very good. Or you can swing it back and use the whole head. making light work of it, which is just what I wanted. Nice little axe, very portable, can be used for a multitude of things. If you really had to, you could cut something down with it, but it's not more intended, so that's more intended for that. On this one? No, not yet. Not quite.